Hello everyone, here is Karam. In this tutorial we will learn how to create under slab piping modeling via AUTOFLUID. Right click on AUTOFLUID toolbar and select single line slab piping. After that, go and select the distribution box. Select the dimensions of the distribution box. Select the number and orientation of these distribution boxes if they are horizontal or vertical. Untick with dimensioning and select OK. And then select a base point and click OK. Then select the distribution manifold and select the number of outlets. In our case, we have 7 outlets, and select between two lines and then select this first line and this second line and this the third line. Then we will go and select the pipes. We have here, you can select first the network. We will select hydraulic and click OK. And then we have here 4 cold water and 3 hot water pipes and click OK. Then select a point in the middle and go down and then go along the way. After that, right click, you can select stop and continue without starting, and then select these objects and right click and go to your destination, and then click stop and continue without distorting, and select a new object with left mouse click and confirm with right mouse click, and then go to your destination and then click stop and continue, and then we can select this and confirm with the right click, and we can go up to here and then click stop. Click on the annotate the profile size and select the pipe type, the DN25, and click OK. Then select the object with the left mouse click and then confirm with right click, and then select the bill of material, export to CAD table and click OK, and then select the top left corner. As you can see, the DN is 25 and the quantity is approximately 80 meters. Thanks for watching. See you soon in another tutorial. Goodbye.